Good morning everyone. I am your English teacher from Jyoti Public High School. Our today topic is lesson number 4, Poetry Somebody's Mother. First stanza is: the woman was old and dragged and grey and bent with the chill of winter's day. The street was wet with the recent snow, and the woman's feet were aged and slow. She stood at the crossing and waited long, alone, uncared for amid the throng. In first stanza, the poet says that an old woman with grey hair and torn clothes was walking along the street on a very cold winter day. She was unable to walk because she was old. The street was covered with snow. It was wet and slippery. She stood at the crossings for a long time, thinking that somebody would help her to cross the street. But she stood in the mid of the crowd, alone and uncared. Next stanza is: of human being who passed her by, nor heeded the glance of her anxious eye. Down the street and with laughter and shout, glad in the freedom of school let out, came the boy like a flock of sheep, hailing the snow piled white and deep. In second stanza, the poet says that not a single passerby looked at the old woman. After the school was over, a group of boys came down the snow-covered street, laughing and shouting like a flock of sheep. The children ran past the old woman at great speed. No boy stopped to help her. The old woman, who was mid, did not have the confidence to move even. She was afraid that she would be crushed. Past the woman so old and grey, hastened the children on their way, nor offered a helping hand to her, so meek, so timid, after to stir, lest the carriage wheel or the horse feet should crowd her down in slippery street. At last came one of the merry troop, the gayest lady of all the group. In third stanza, the poet says that the old woman, who was mid, did not have the confidence to move even. She was afraid that she would be crushed under the carriage wheel or the horse's feet in that slippery street. Finally, a happiest boy of that children group came. He saw at her, stopped by her, and said to her, he paused beside her and whispered low, I'll help you across if you wish to go. Her aged hand on his strong young arm she placed, and so, without hurt or harm, he guided the trembling feet along, proud that his own were firm and strong. Then back again to his friends he went, his young heart happy and well content. In this stanza, the poet says that finally a happiest boy of that children's group came. He saw at her, he stopped by her and said to her if she wished he would help her to cross the street. The old woman placed her aged hand on the boy's strong arm. The boy guided her across the street. He took care that she was not hurt or harmed in any way. Satisfied with what he had done, the boy ran and joined with his friends. He told his friend, next stanza, she is somebody's mother, boys, you know, for all she is aged and poor and slow, and I hope some fellow will lend a hand to help my mother, you understand. If ever she is poor and grey, when her own dear boy is far away, and somebody's mother bowed her head in her home that night, and the prayer she said. When the boy ran and joined with his friends again, he told his friends that old woman was somebody's mother. She was aged, poor and weak. So he had helped her. He also hoped that when he was far away, some person would help his mother if she became poor and weak with age. On that night, the old woman sat down to pray. What she prayed was, God be kind to the noble boy who is somebody's son and pride and joy. The old woman prayed to God that to be kind to the noble boy who was somebody's son and pride and joy of his mother. So the poem Somebody's Mother is a poem which highlights the importance of helping the old and weak people. Thank you. Have a nice day, students. Take care. Bye bye.